Wait, I came across a tweet on this particular project called Republic /GG. So they announced that the first wave of Republic community Rpk reward will be deployed and sent to the in-apps wallets of all active users. So let me break it down. This Rpk is a project that I've been promoting for some time. My YouTube channel, and they just announced their first distribution of their airdrop. And if you check the coin market cap, you can see that Rpk is already listed in coin market cap. That means it's already listed in some exchanges already. So let's go to the market and see the exchanges where it has been listed. So as you can see, it's listed in KuCoin, HTS, Bybit, Gate.io, even our favorite mix exchange, Bitmart and Binks. So as you can see, this particular token have been listed in many exchanges, and this is one of the reason you have to watch this video attentively to see what you have to do for you to earn or receive your own reward. That is, if you have been following me up and doing your task in their social media app. And you guys remember I told you guys I don't waste my time on a project that is not legit. Any project that is not promising, it's just trying to be a scammy project and be doing like it's a good project. I don't waste my time in it. I make my own research before embarking on any project, and also before making video about it. But before we go further, please, if this is your first time coming to my YouTube channel, hello, this is my channel. This is Rpk Crypto, and my name is Zubi King. This is where I share updates like this now, updates that is very informative and very rewardable. So what you have to do for me without wasting your time is to make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'm pleading with you guys to help my channel to reach 5k subscribers before end of this month. Oh, the month is already ending. Please help me reach 5k subscribers before end of the year, because we're almost ending the year and I need that 5k subscribers. Please, I'm begging you guys. And don't forget to turn on the bell icon. This turning on the bell icon is going to help you get notified whenever I drop any updates like this. And also, the last but not the least, try your best and drop a like. This like you are dropping here is notifying YouTube that this content that this person is sharing is also informative and people are kind of liking it. So with this, they will share it to more people. So it's not going to cost you anything. All I need from you is just a drop of like this, and then you can tell me whatever you think in the comment section. That is if you wish. And with this, let's dive into the main video of the day. So this is the app. Let me just do a little intro for you guys. This Republic app is just like your Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, but this particular one is in Web3. And one thing I love about this particular Web3 social media app, it is that it reward each and every of their user, as in not, you don't need to be an influencer before you make money from it. So like example, I'm actually earning from it right now. So as you can see, this is the app. All you have to do is to be making posts just like you're doing on your Facebook page, your WhatsApp, your Telegram, your all these social media accounts. So just like as you can see, people are making posts. So what you have to do now is to watch this video attentively and see what you need to do to be earning this XP. Because if you go over to my account, you see that I'm currently having 11,883 pieces of 883 XP. That is the point which they are actually going to be rewarding us from, because the airdrop that they are going to be distributing by 28th of this month is going to be according to your XP amount. So as you can see, I'm currently having 11,883 pieces of XP here. So what you have to do is to first of all follow the link in the description of this video to sign up to this particular project. That is if you have not done it. So once you're done signing up and registering and confirming your account and every other thing, you have to do some things here for you to be earning the XP. First of all, let's go over to how to earn it. So if you click on this XP place, you will see they says first you can earn 20 XP for checking in to the Republic app once a day. So let's go over to my notification. You will see that I've earned 26 pieces plus 20 pieces of XP, plus including 6 pieces for having my badge. That means I've gotten my XP for today. So if you go over to, let's go over to the next place of earning XP. So 20 XP for checking in app every single day, and earning 5 XP 5 followers you gain every single day. That is the maximum of 50 SP. You can also earn 5 SP for giving 5 likes every single day. So how do you give the like? It's very simple, easy peasy. Just click on 1 over here, 2 likes, 3 likes, 4 likes, 5. So if you're done giving the 5 likes, just give it a time. The system is going to reward you with the XP for the day. And if you go over to my notification tab now, you see that I've just earned 6.5 SP, 6 SP for earning 6.5 SP for giving likes, and which they give me a bonus of 1.5 SP for also having the badge for today. So another way of earning SP is by earning SP for receiving 10 likes on your post in a day. So how do you give posts so that people will like it? Just click on this plus icon over here. It's going to ask you to give it this permission of recording and all these things. So once you're done with it, you can post pictures, you can post videos for you to be earning likes and earning XP also. So you can check the rest by casting votes in a day, earning SP for joining challenge, and earning 500 SP for per challenge for winning. So this is very easy for you to do. So you can also earn SP by inviting people. I think I forgot to tell you guys that you can also earn SP by inviting people, and you'll be earning the final bonus once they are earning their own XP. So it's very simple. If you go over to my notification tab over here, you see that you'll be earning SP for following people and receiving followers also. So you will earn SP for following people. So once someone follows me, I try my best whenever I had the chance to follow them. Just like you can see all these ones that recently followed me, I follow them back. So it's very simple to follow people here. You don't need to be a celebrity on this particular social media app for you to be earning from it. So once you join the link in the description of this video, try your best to follow me, and once I got the notification, I'm going to follow you back, just like I'm following all these people. And it's very easy. So the more followers you get, and the more people you follow, the more SP you earn. The more likes you get on your post, the more likes you give to people's posts, the more all you need for you to interact with the app, because it's a new app and they need interaction from you. So try your best and earn from it. Try your best and earn SP before the distribution. And the distribution, even if you started from now, you will still be earning it. I think they say the distribution is going to be daily. So any amount of SP earned for the day, you will earn distribution from it, distribution of the airdrop from it every day. And remember, you can follow their social media accounts, something like Twitter, Telegram, and other things, for you to get more information on how the project works. I think I've given you guys the basic information you need, how to earn XP, and why the project is legit. So I think I've given you guys all you need. So I think this video is long enough, and I hope you guys got value. If you got value from it, please don't forget to give me a like on the video, so that I will know how you guys feel while watching my video. And lastly, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Remember, my name still remains Rpk, and this is Rpk Crypto. See you guys in my next video, and remain profitable. Bye.